Hi, everybody. Tom Hanks here in my gorgeous theater of typewriting. I'm now going to walk you through essentially the how to change a ribbon on a Hermes 3000. No typewriter has ever been made that is better than a Hermes. Made in Switzerland, distributed in the USA from a place in Linden, New Jersey. I have a feeling that place is out of business. So let's say we're pretending now that this ribbon don't work the way I want it. So I'm going to change the ribbon. How do you do that? You say, well, you tear the top off of that. You will get ink on your fingers. Deal with it. Look at the complicated workings of this typewriter. Hammers, keys, all of this, and lo and behold, the ribbon. All right, it is time now to replace the ribbon. And so what I do is you just go ahead and keep spinning it until most of the ribbon is onto one spool. I will take it out of this guide. I will steer it out of that little guide. And lo and behold, voila. Undo the snaps. This ribbon, you can chuck it, you can throw it away, or you can re-ink it. All right, so that's the dead ribbon. I knocked over this good new ribbon, and the first thing I'll have to do is untangle it, a la like a hunk of spaghetti. Okay, so now you see I have essentially a little car here. There's no twist in the ribbon. It is ready to go. So I take one end of this, and I place it onto the little post, and I will place this on the other post. There we go. All I do now is tuck the ribbon in between the guides. You see I've done it on one side right there. Now I will do it on the other side as well. The ribbon has now been replaced. Let me do the incredibly complex thing of putting the hood back on this car. There we go. Just had to get the carriage out of the way. And there it is. It's back in place. Just listen to this, all right? That's the sound of typing. It's the cadence of creativity. It's the percussion of punctuation. That sound, you'll get lost in it. It becomes a rhythm. It becomes a music that will not only tell you and the other people in the other room that you're working, it will also spur you on to other areas of imagination that you will eventually create and record forever on your type.